Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to apply for Wolt delivery work. So if you also want to apply for Wolt delivery work, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch any browser of your choice. You can see over here, I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in this link right over here. This link will also be provided to you in the description box below. Now press enter. Now you can see over here you'll be left with this kind of interface. From here you'll be able to apply for Wolt delivery work. The first step is to apply and then you'll have to verify the account. Then the third step is introduction and then you'll have to download their app. You'll also have to sign the contract and then you'll receive a gear in order to do the delivery work of Wolt. Scroll down. In this interface you'll have to fill in these informations. Make sure to fill in right informations. You can see over here first name, last name, email address are already filled. Select the language spoken. Click on this box. Now select your language. You'll also have to enter your date of birth. Make sure to enter the correct date of birth. Enter the month. Now enter the day. Now select your delivery country. You can see several countries over here. Select the country of your choice. Now select the delivery city. Now you'll also have to select delivery vehicle. You can see 4 options over here. Choose the option of your choice. Now you will have to enter courier partner referral code. Click on this box and enter your code. Now check on this box right over here. Now send application button will be activated. All you have to do is click on it. You can see over here your application has been sent. You can also see the application details over here. Your application will be reviewed and after the review is completed, you'll be able to proceed to other steps. So that is how you apply for Wolt delivery work. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.